Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing how you can compile and run C programs on Mac inside VS Code. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To compile and run C files on Mac, you will need two things. One is the GCC compiler and the other one is a code editor. So for this tutorial we'll be using VS Code. So let's get started. First we'll check if GCC is already installed on our system or not. To do so, we'll just open terminal, and inside terminal we'll just type in gcc-v, so it will show us the GCC version. Now I'll press return. As you can see, GCC is already installed on my system. If you do not have GCC installed on your system, you can simply type GCC and then press return. In my system, GCC is already installed. If you do not have it installed, it will prompt you to install GCC. Just click on install now. It will take some time and get installed eventually. So once you have done that, we'll just close this window and create a folder. Let's name it hello. So inside this folder we'll write down our C code. So let's open VS Code and we'll open this folder inside VS Code. So let me just drag this folder in VS Code. Now the folder is open inside VS Code. I'll simply go to the extension and here I will search for C. As you can see, there is a C or C++ extension, so I'll just simply install this extension. So the extension has been installed. Now I'll close this extension window and I'll go to the file manager. So inside this hello folder I'll just create a C file. So let's do that. I will name it to hello.c. Now I'll write down some test code here. I have already written the hello world code, so I'll simply copy it and then I will paste it in this file. So now I'll just save it by pressing Command S. So the file is saved. Now I'll open a terminal. Let me maximize the window. Let me make it bigger. Now we'll first compile this file. To do so, we'll run gcc-o. Then we'll give a name for our executable file. So I'll just call it hello new, and then I'll just simply write down the C file, which is hello.c, and then I'll press return. So as you can see, there is a new file created. So now we'll run this file. To run this file, we'll just specify the file. So it will be hello new and just press return. As you can see, the code has been run successfully. So this is how you can run and compile C programs on Mac inside VS Code. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.